everyone. How are you all? I hope everyone is safe and staying at home. And let me just start by saying this. Welcome to my vlog. Okay, so for all those who must be wondering what am I going to be doing today, it's a very special day. Although it's raining outside, I'm going to be showing you also. But today, I took a random stroll in the neighborhood and found out a couple of people who do various economic activities. Now, you must be wondering what kind of economic activities am I referring to? So, let me be very clear. I'm actually referring to fishing, which is a primary activity done by millions of people across the country and across the world as well. Today, I'm going to be showing you and making you meet a couple of fishermen who do this activity as part of their daily life, sometimes in a week, and it's a very interesting activity. It's a very hard working job to do fishing all day and to keep on sitting for fishes and just wait for the fishes to come and then have them for lunch or dinner as your meals. So I'm going to be showing you the life of a fisherman. Welcome to my vlog. Also, do not forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you want to check something else. So let's see. But before I start, let me very quickly tell you I am currently staying in Goa. Although I'm from the capital city of New Delhi and there is greenery all around me. So I'm sure you will be very curious to know where exactly I am. Not going to be giving you the address, but this is how the surrounding looks like. And behind me, I think you can see a water body. This is where we are going to go right now, and we'll be talking to a couple of fishermen. Let's see what they have to say about this economic activity. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is right next to my house. If you can see, that is my lovely house in Goa, and this is the place where which I was talking about. So we're gonna go. There's a lot of wildlife and it's the monsoon season, so you might see a couple of birds here which usually migrate from other areas to this particular areas. We're going to be talking to a couple of fishermen, and you can see this area actually fills with a lot of water during monsoon, and people do come here to fish, and they surprisingly they catch a lot of fishes in the morning time, in the evening time. So this is such a nice area filled with water. Now you will have to excuse me a little bit because I'm actually walking in under the water, which is like a lot of things. Yes. So this is basically the pool that I was referring to. It may look small, but it's quite deep and you can catch a lot of fishes over here. So we're going to be talking to a couple of fishermen about this. So I'm going to talk to a couple of fishermen here, which you can see are behind me, and it's raining. It's a lovely weather out there. So let's just go and talk to them. Hello uncle, आपका नाम क्या है?
अब्दुल रज़ाक।
अब्दुल, आप कब से हो यहाँ पर? क्या कर रहे हैं आप पहले?
बचपन से हूँ, यहीं पे पैदा हूँ मैं
गोवा में। और अभी आप क्या कर रहे हो?
अभी मच्छी कर रहा हूँ।
तो और कब से कितना टाइम लगता है आपको पकड़ने में?
अभी मैं दोपहर में आया था 1 बजे, अभी तक इधर ही है।
अभी तक इधर ही है। तो टोटल आपने अभी तक कितनी मछली पकड़ ली है?
ये बारिश।
ओके, सो ये some fishes. और कौन कौन सी फिशेस हैं इसमें, आपको नाम पता है?
हाँ, किलापे, इधर गोवा में किलापे बोलता है,
किलापे
बोलता है, टिगुर बोलता है।
टिगुर। और ये जो ब्लैक मुझे दिख रही है
वो टिगुर है।
टिगुर। ओके, सो आप हॉबी के लिए करते हो, मतलब ऐसे टाइम पास के लिए या फिर टाइम पास के लिए? हो,
मेरे को हॉबी है।
हॉबी है, अच्छा। फिर आप इनका क्या करोगे जाके? जैसे ये
छोटा एक आदमी का कड़ी बन जाएगा उसके अंदर।
ओके, सो ओके, these fishes have no idea they're about to be eaten.
मैं तो बारीक तेल में मसाला लगा के फ्राई कर देंगे।
ओके, ये तो वही तो लो। तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
रेशमी।
रेशमी। कितने साल की हो तुम?
5।
5 साल की हो, क्या कर रही हो यहाँ पर?
मच्छी पकड़ी।
कितनी मछली पकड़ी सुबह से?
हाँ?
कितनी मछली पकड़ी?
चार।
4 पकड़ी हैं। डेली आते हो या एक दिन आते हो?
आज
आज ही। वेरी नाइस। किसके साथ आए हो आप यहाँ पर?
मम्मी।
मम्मी के साथ। मम्मी कहाँ पर है? हेलो मम्मी। हेलो। आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम सेलिन।
शैलिन। शैलिन, आप कहाँ पर रहते हो?
इधर गोवा में रहती
गोवा में। कहाँ पर?
हूँ। गोवा में कोलवा।
वेरी नाइस। तो आप यहाँ पर डेली आते हो फिश पकड़ने के लिए?
कभी कभी आते
कभी कभी। तो आप क्या क्या मतलब हॉबी है आपकी भी?
हैं। हाँ,
हॉबी है, बहुत अच्छी बात है। सो वेरी नाइस। सो यहाँ पर आपको कितनी टोटल फिश मिल जाती हैं?
अभी मिला 4।
4 मिल गए हैं, तो उनसे काम चल जाएगा पूरे हफ्ते का?
नहीं चलेगा।
4 तो फिर कितने दिनों के लिए होती है?
हाँ, ये अभी जाएगा तो 4-5 है। अभी वो फ्राई करेगा तो चारों बच्चों को
क्या क्या बनाते हो आप फिश से?
फ्राई।
फिश फ्राई।
हाँ।
ऑलराइट। सो इससे आप मतलब इनको सेल भी करते हो, बेचते भी हो कभी कभी?
नहीं नहीं।
अपने लिए सिर्फ सेल्फ कंजम्पशन। वेरी नाइस। ऑलराइट। So thank you so much, Shaleen. Thank you. So that was all, my friends. That was all about my day, and I'm sure you also enjoyed looking into a life of a fisherman. Well, let me just conclude this video by saying that did you know that fishing is a very important primary activity, and also it generates a lot of employment, especially for the people who stays in India and the coastal areas and other areas which are located very much near to the rivers and also the ocean. So obviously, an Indian fishing industry ranks third in the world, and that also creates a number of people. This also create a huge employment for all those people who stay in India and abroad as well. So it's a very interesting economic activity, yet very hardworking. So thanks to all the fishermen who generates tons of employment and also produces, also work on their livelihood as well. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Thank you so much. I'm going to be coming very soon with yet another video. And if you like the video, please like. Press on the like button and comments. You can also put all your comments. Let me know how did you like it. If you want me to come up with something more, do let us know. And also subscribe to the channel as well. So I'm going to be seeing you very, very, very soon. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. And please, chin up and mask on. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Let's crack it.